Hello guys, welcome back to my channel This Creativity. So today is a really new tutorial for you, and today I will share my first experience of acrylic painting. So let's see. Guys, to make the painting I am using this old thermocol, and I am using this plate as a palette for mixing the color and making shades with the raw colors. I will use acrylic color, all are of camel, but the black one is of Pidilite, and I will use all of this and making shades out of this. This is brush, this is a phone number brush, and this is number 12. I will use all of this for my painting. So guys, now I am making the green color with green and yellow shades. Mixing yellow and red, I am making orange. I am using dark blue and white to make the sky blue, and here I am using orange and red to make the violet shade. I want to make a visual background, that's why I am putting the dark violet which I have made. First of all, here I am using the flat brush. Guys, I am placing this shade in a dark way, and I am mixing it well, and now I am using the royal blue shade of camel fabric color, and now I am putting this again. I want to make a picture background, that's why I am using these colors. Now I am putting the sky blue which I have made from the shades, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And this is my first acrylic painting. Now I am putting the green shade which I have made. You saw how I have made my colors from the raw colors, so just follow me. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Now I am putting the yellow shade. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. And now I am putting the yellow shades from the yellow color. You can see me using a flat brush. It is very easy to make a smooth background, and I prefer always flat brush. Now it's time to make put the color orange which I have made. So I am putting the orange shade and mixing it. Now I am putting red at the below. You can see this is a visual background, and you know that I am use all of these maximum colors are made by me from the raw colors. You have to mix it very quick because acrylic color really dried very quick. So now I am putting the yellow color again to blend it well, and I am blending it just well, and here it is almost done. But now I will put some blue on the upper because I am not using any canvas. I am using a old thermocol, that's why I have to put color gently. So I am mixing it. This is really very gorgeous. So my background is almost done. Here I am using the black shade of Febicryl Pidilite, and I am using the thinnest brush, and I am making a tree. So I am putting it on in a black shade because it will be more gorgeous. You can make the tree as you wish, but you also can put any structure you want, but this is my tutorial. I want to like this, so just see it. I am making the tree with so many branches. I like it, so I am making this. You can make as you wish, and you also can recreate this drawing also. If you have no canvas, then you can use a Curtis paper, a old thermocol. Now I am filling the tree with the black color, and I am using the thick brush. This is 12 number brush. I am really very excited to do this because this is my first acrylic color of a scenery, and I am adding more branches and giving it a good finishing. Guys, now I am adding more branches to the tree because it will make the tree more efficient and more attractive. So I am adding it with the black color and the thin brush. This is phone number. So, and I am putting grass from the below part. This is almost done here. I thought if I put some flowers to the tree, that's why I am making a pink shade with red and white. So guys, I am putting the flowers with the earbuds. This is really a very helpful tool in pocket friendly. This is also a pocket friendly tool. So I am using it to make the flower shape. First of all, I am using here the pink shade which I have made, and hope you also like this shade. And again I am saying you that if you are new to my channel and you like my videos, you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Your subscription is inspire me to make more videos. And if you like this video, please share among your friends and family also. And I also have a Facebook page. There I also upload my drawing videos. So here I am using the white color with another earbuds, a clean earbuds, to make some shade, because only pink color is not beautiful at all. So I am putting white shades, and after that I will put the dark shade, I mean red. I'll put it. So watch till the end. What is, guys, now with the clean buds I am putting the red shade on some of the flowers, not all of the flowers. So here it is almost done. So guys, I'm really very excited because this is my first acrylic paint. If you like it, please hit the like button and comment below. So today is no more. We will meet with a new video. Tata, bye bye.